Hello dolls and gents, and welcome back. And here are the girls. We're getting ready to polish them, and we're going to be using Born Pretty's Milky Jelly Cat Magnet Gel. This is the type of box that it comes in, once again by Born Pretty, and everything will be down below, from their Amazon account to their TikTok to their email to their website. So let's get into the packaging here. Comes in a box, and there are 6 gel polishes. And there is a paper there if you need to know how to do it or what to do. And this is what they look like, and there is the magnet. So let me hold that up for you guys. The magnet has a little round part and then a flat square part, and there are 6 polishes. So I'm going to go ahead and open the polish so that I can show y'all the polishes. This is the Cat Magnetic Eye Gel Polish, Holographic Glitter, Milky Jelly Cat Magnetic Gel Polishes. So there are different versions of the polishes. You get 6 pieces, like I said before. And I'm opening each one to show you 1 through 6. There are purples, blues, pinks, browns. There might be a lavender instead of a pink. We'll see when I put it on. And like a greenish milky color. The good thing about Born Pretty is you can get all of these polishes for under $20. Yeah, all 6 polishes with the magnet for under $20. And I have done them before. I absolutely love them. I've collabed with them before. You can get lots of other things on their page besides the magnetic, but I just wanted to show y'all these are the magnetic ones that they sent me, and I am super excited to use them. This is all I'm going to be using on every single nail. Every nail. This is all I'm going to be using. All right, so let's get into it. I was watching videos on my phone, trying to figure out ways to do this. So I'm going to polish the entire nail. I know I don't normally do that, but I am going to polish the entire nail because I'm doing this on every single nail. And I want the cat eye magnet effect. Now they call it cat eye, but it's magnet nails, whatever you want to call it. The base color gel is not included in the package, so you do need to have a base color if you use a base color on your nails. Okay, you place the magnetic stick over the surface of the nails about 3 to 5 millimeters for 5 to 10 seconds to get your desired effect. It is a very easy application. I just had to get the hang of the angle of the nails. So we're going to go ahead and polish this nail, and then we're going to try it. All right, let's go, y'all. You don't cure it first. You polish it, and I would say get a decent amount of polish on the nail. Trying to get it close to the camera so y'all can see. And you take the magnet over the nail wherever you want it to kind of pull. What it does is it kind of pulls the polish up. I nicked the nail. All right, we got to fix that. Put some more polish on that because we can't have that, okay? We can't have that. So let's fix that and let's try it again. All right, we have the magnet up to the nail, and I'm just going along the sides, and I'm going along the top. I'm also going to turn the camera around so y'all can see as I always do, but it is doing like the drawing the polish to the magnet. So we're going to do a couple of nails, and then I'm going to let y'all see the ending effect. I don't have a design in mind. This is my first time doing this. Pretty simple, pretty easy. The polishes are beautiful, so it's pretty good so far. So I'm going to do a couple of more nails with y'all, a couple of more colors. All right, so we're going to go in with this green, and you can see right here where the magnet is just drawing the polish in to make a design. It's an easy application. The set lasts for 21 days with the perfect shine and the under proper application. With the base gel top coat under the full application process, it gives you high durability and intense pigmentation, and it makes it stay and last a lot longer. I did use a different top coat as I am out of Born Pretty's top coat, but I nicked it again. So you got to be careful getting close. So let me go in and polish that part again. I'm Like I said, this is my first time doing this. I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun with it, but you got to not get too close to the nail or you'll nick it. So we got the polish over that, and there we go. There we go, doing that magnet effect. D, Born Pretty gel polish kits are appropriate for any holiday, special event, birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Halloween, gifts. If you want to take it to your nail tech, the solid designs can be freely finished with the gel colors. And guys, as I mentioned before, you can get these off of Amazon. Don't we all love Amazon? So that means you can have your polishes to you in what, 2 to 3 days? If you got Amazon Prime, you might be able to get it in 1 day. Okay. Yes, honey. I also see that they have a 9D. Hey, Born Pretty, I see you have a 9D cat magnetic eye polish, holographic rainbow gel polish. Y'all tag Born Pretty down below so they can send me that, because I need to try that 3D holographic magnetic cat eye. Okay, Born Pretty, let's get into it, because I'm enjoying this. So here I am, just getting the wand right at an angle close to the nail, because it said 3 to 5 millimeters, but trying to make sure I don't hit the nail again. And of course I hit it. I know y'all saw that. That's okay though. That's okay. It's all about learning. It is a very easy process. You just have to steady your hands and do your application. Their reviews on these polishes are 5-star reviews. Click the link down below and check the reviews. Everybody loves their polishes, hands down, no matter which one they do. I absolutely love it under flash as well, which is what I'm going to come back and show you guys. All right, guys, I've turned the camera around just so you guys can get a look at it with the flash and kind of see where I'm using the magnet at and get a better glimpse of it. It just, oh, look at that, so pretty. It just pulls it in. It kind of makes it lighter and then darker and then lighter and then darker, if you can see that. I'm going to show you all 10 nails when I'm done. I am super excited, and I like that it's not too plain. The thing with the magnet drawing it in and making the kind of holographic designs makes the nails not look too plain, and that's the part that I like. So I did not need too much stones like I normally need on the nails, and so you guys are going to see what I did at the end, because I had to do a little touch of bling. Don't kill me now, y'all. I had to do a little touch of bling, but for the most part, each nail's design is what it is, and I left it like that, and I can honestly say I am satisfied with this set. Even if nobody else is, this is a first time trial for me, and I am super satisfied about it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back, and this is the final set, and you can see the magnet. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said cat eye. I tried to create some cat eyes, but it's really about the rhythm of how you move the magnet. And I thought this was the first one that I was doing, and I thought it wasn't doing anything, but as you guys can see, it was, and it went over the whole nail. But the other ones, you can kind of tell that it's kind of at an angle or like a design. So I really have to tell you guys that I enjoyed this polish, and I am going to be using it more and practicing more so I can get like little forms or little designs in it. This one was really pretty. Y'all know I can't go without my bling, so I did put a bow on each one, and I used every color that they gave me. So there were 6 colors. This was the first one. This was another color, the green, and then it was this color and this color. They look close together, but they're not. And then this blue, and then this blue. This blue is the design. Why do I have fur on there? Design came out really nice in this blue. And hopefully y'all can see where I did the magnet, because that's what I was trying to show y'all. It is very simple to use, very easy to use, you guys. You can purchase from their website or Amazon. All the links and everything will be down below, and the colors of the polishes that they sent me. I thought these were going to be how do I want to say, very sheer colors, but they are not. They're extremely pigmented and they are extremely nice. So I am super, super satisfied with it. And these will be my nails for the next 3 weeks. So, so, so cute. And y'all let me know if y'all can see the magnet that I did. If you've used the magnet before, if you're going to purchase from them, comment down below. If you're going to have your nail tech do the magnet polish on your nails, make sure you tag me so I can see it. I'm going to go in now and oil my cuticles and take a couple of pictures and get this video uploaded for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Born Pretty. I cannot wait for the next collab to come out. I love working with them. I do need to contact them about a no wipe top coat and base coat because I think I'm out and I used a different one on here. But either way, it came out absolutely beautifully. The girls are growing and I'm enjoying every minute of it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments, put them down below. Also, all of Born Pretty's information will be down below for you guys to follow their social media. And I'll see you guys in the next one.